Residents of Norfolk, Virginia, are you facing the all-too-common issue of leaky pipes in your home? In our beautiful city, especially in older homes, leaky pipes can arise from corrosion, clogging, or general wear and tear. These leaks are more than just a minor inconvenience. They can lead to significant water damage and expensive repairs if not addressed in time. But there's no need to worry. Right here in Norfolk, our team of qualified professionals is ready to tackle your plumbing challenges. We're well-versed in the specific plumbing needs of Norfolk homes. Don't let leaky pipes dampen your day. Call us now at 1-888-541-6614 for fast, efficient, and expert plumbing solutions. We're here to ensure the homes in Norfolk stay leak-free and comfortable.